One of the most challenging aspects of big data analysis is its structure, or I should say its lack of structure. Typically, data analysis is undertaken with data in tabular or some other highly structured format. But what about all the data being generated that's unstructured, for example, weblog posts, news articles, and product reviews? How can these data be used to evaluate business, develop new products, or analyze consumer sentiment? Traditionally, processing unstructured data, if it's undertaken at all, is done manually, reading and classifying. Analytical text processing is a powerful unstructured data analytics platform that automatically delivers actionable business intelligence quickly from unstructured data. Product reviews are a good example of unstructured data, typically crudely classified by the author using stars to indicate positive or negative sentiment. I'm going to take a look at reviews from the recent book 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. In this example, reviews are extracted from Amazon, a process that can be replicated for any website. As we can see from the Amazon website, this is a highly reviewed and regarded book. Let's see what ATEX can do with this data. First, let's get a feel for overall sentiment. Instead of looking at stars, ATP is looking at language used in the reviews. ATP can look at individual posts and quickly analyze language to deliver semantic sentiment, and we can also view overall sentiment. Instead of looking at stars, ATP is looking at the language used in reviews. Then commonly used words are analyzed in the context of this language. So the context within which Thiel appears was seen positive 70% of the time. A much different message than saying the book has an average review of 4.5 stars. Now let's analyze an individual negative review. In the interest of time, I've selected a 1-star review from Amazon, and I'm going to copy and paste it into ATP. I'm going to examine sentiment there. And as we can see, ATP, without the benefit of seeing the star, can quickly categorize this as a highly negative review based on the language inside the review. Another example of ATP capability can be seen from looking at tweets. Tweets are difficult to analyze individually, but they can give us valuable insight when aggregated by ATP. Let's see what people think about the Apple Watch. As you can see, the reviews on the Apple Watch look to be highly mixed. Again, we can look at individual tweets if needed, but I think there's far more insight gained from looking at the overall context. This video has briefly demonstrated some of the capabilities of the powerful unstructured data analytical tool ATP. ATP provides a set of powerful techniques for categorization and structuring of unstructured textual documents. ATP offers both supervised and unsupervised clustering techniques, including Bayesian classifiers and latent semantic analysis. ATP can extract and represent data in a format from which evidence can be extracted semantically. For a full demonstration of ATP, please contact us.